G'day guys, Baldy here. Well, it's been a long time coming, but I've finally got around to installing a full solar system to my camper trailer. Now, Roy from Amazon International actually hand-picked the components. He's custom designed the system, and I've got to tell you, I'm absolutely stoked with how it's all turned out. So come on, let's take a closer look. So in terms of solar panels, I've gone with 3 100-watt panels from Instapower. Now these are the tempered glass variety, and I've gone with this particular style as opposed to the flexible ones, mainly because they're much more resilient for long-term use. To help with the installation side of things, I've called my mate Blake from Blake's Mobile Automotive to come out give me a hand. Blake, you got any tips, mate, for the installation?
Yeah, mate, the most common thing people forget are these panels are always live. So it means that these cables have always got power to them, even just sitting here right now and not connected to nothing.
Right, okay, so it's a bad idea to put these two together?
Yeah, definitely a bad idea, you know.
Right.
And the other thing is, you don't connect your battery till the end. That's always the last thing you connect, just so the panels aren't under any load when you make the connection.
All right, good advice, mate, good advice. What do you reckon? We get stuck into it?
Yeah, no worries,
Let's
get it
do it.
done.
So while Blake's starting to fit the solar panels, I thought I'd give him a quick wash down before he gets hold of them. One thing that a lot of people don't realise is if you wash these down with a circular motion like this, it actually creates a static charge, which means it attracts more dust. So people washing their panels and then wondering why it's getting more dirty within a couple of hours. The best way to do it is to use something like this, a bit of soapy detergent with water, give it a spray, like so, and wipe it straight down, just like that. Okay, so we've used the plastic mounting brackets for this job. The main reason being they allow plenty of ventilation up underneath the panel to help keep it cool. And we've also screwed the panels directly to the mounts just so they're still removable. So right here is the heart and soul of the solar system. It's a 30 amp charger from Victron Energy. Now this one here is an MPPT charger, which is typically what you want to use for this sort of application. The main reason being, it allows you to hook the solar panels up in series, which means it's much more efficient in the long run. Now, most battery chargers tend to run pretty warm, so it's really important to mount them somewhere where there's plenty of ventilation, let the cooling fins do their job. Another important factor to remember is to mount these as close as you can to the battery. The main reason is you want to reduce the amount of voltage drop. Okay, the last part of this installation is a battery monitoring system from Victron Energy. Now this little beauty comes in really handy. It tells you everything from how many amps your system's pulling and how many watts your solars are pumping into the battery as well. It's all nice and easy to get to, tells you exactly how much power is left in your battery as well, and overall gives you a good idea of exactly what your solar system's doing.